This 2018 Thor Motor Coach Miramar 37.1 is a Class A RV. It is located in Longmont, CO 80504 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, slide-out, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features Bunk Over Cab, Bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, 2 full baths. This 2018 Thor Motor Coach Miramar 37.1 is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.